If you want to make this type of fine cutout, you're in the right place. Just watch this video till the end. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video so you don't miss more editing tutorials and awesome edits. Open ChatGPT, then upload your image. Then ask ChatGPT to replace the background with plain green or any other color which is not present in your character or object. Then download the image given by the ChatGPT. Then open any editing software that you want. I am using CapCut. Then select your image and go to Remove Background, and then select the chroma key. Then select your background color, and then set the intensity to 60%. That's it. And if you want for videos, you can just simply use the Gemini's video generation feature with the same process.